This is a really thick, viscous black paint that conducts electricity when it's dry. What's happening is the touchboard is charging up this pad of paint with a small electrical field, and when I get close to it, or touch it, it sends a signal to the touchboard, which then turns on the lamp. We just had a battery and an LED. So we painted 2 lines and the LED lit up, and that was really exciting because you were literally creating a wire dynamically onto a surface. It was amazing. Our electric paint is conductive because it contains carbon. It allows us to make a relatively low-cost product that people can play with safely. We have people doing huge projects. The paintings done by Thomas Evans, who has taken our electric paint and taken our hardware and incorporated it into his paintings to turn them into musical instruments. I think that the most exciting thing we do is to facilitate a really wide and diverse community. We feel that our job is just to empower them. So we're just trying to give them the tools and the information they need to create their projects.